Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Here Up Say. Today, we're doing a complete unboxing and breakdown of the premium Widex Magnify MBR-3D M05 hearing aids.
Let's slide off the outer cover and see what comes inside this beautifully designed packaging. First up, right at the top, we have the core devices themselves. Inside these individual protective cases, you'll find the Widex Magnify MBR-3D hearing aids, safely sealed in protective packaging. These are incredibly sleek, lightweight, and designed for ultimate comfort. Moving down into the box, we find the specialized drying jar that comes with a built-in moisture-absorbing capsule. It's an essential accessory for daily maintenance, protecting your devices from moisture buildup throughout the day. Next, we have the complete documentation pack, which includes your official Widex warranty cards, safety regulatory guidelines, and a comprehensive user manual to help you get started. Now, let's open up the lower compartment. Here is the star accessory, the Widex MBR-3D Charge and Clean Station. This isn't just a regular charger, it dynamically charges, sanitizes using UVC light, and dries your hearing aids all at the same time to keep them completely hygienic. Right beneath the charging dock, we have the standard premium USB power and charging cable to keep your station powered up at home or on the go. Inside the next accessory box, Widex includes a dedicated maintenance and care kit featuring a high-quality microfiber cleaning cloth, along with specialized micro brushes to clear away any daily dust or debris safely. Lastly, we have these essential color-coded orientation tags.